Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. We are going to explore communication, a key process that's essential in every aspect of life, from personal interactions to business operations. Communication allows us to exchange information, ideas, and feelings. Today, we will look at the concept, forms, elements, types, and barriers to communication. Let's dive in. To start, let's define communication. It's a process of exchanging information, ideas, and feelings between individuals or groups. Whether in a personal or professional setting, effective communication is crucial to building relationships, conveying ideas, and ensuring mutual understanding. Now, let's look at the different forms of communication. Verbal communication. This includes spoken or written words, whether in a conversation, meeting, or email. Nonverbal communication is there. This form includes body language, facial expressions, gestures, and posture. Often, nonverbal cues can convey more than words. Then there is visual communication. Visual elements like charts, graphs, and images help to present information in a way that's easy to understand. Every communication process involves several key elements. The sender. This is the person who initiates the communication. There is the message. This is the information or idea being communicated. And the medium. This refers to the channel through which the information or message is conveyed, like email, phone, or face-to-face interaction. Then the receiver, the individual who receives and interprets the message. And then feedback. This is the receiver's response, indicating whether the message was understood. Then noise. Any barriers or disruptions like technical issues, distractions, or misunderstandings that affect the clarity of the message. Next, let's explore the types of communication. Internal communication is there. This occurs within the organization between employees, departments, or teams. It ensures smooth coordination and efficient operations. And then there is external communication, which refers to communication with external stakeholders such as customers, suppliers, or investors. See, clear communication here builds relationships and trust with those outside the organization. However, communication isn't always smooth. There are several barriers to effective communication, like language differences. Misunderstandings can arise when people speak different languages or use industry-specific jargon. Then cultural differences. Different cultures may have varied norms and expectations, which can affect how messages are interpreted. And then there is physical barriers. These include distance or technical issues like poor internet connections, which disrupt communication. And then emotional barriers are there. Personal emotions such as anger or stress can cloud how messages are sent and received. Then perceptual barriers. These occur when people interpret or perceive messages differently based on their perspectives. In summary, communication is a complex process that involves not only the exchange of words, but also non-verbal signals, visual aids, and emotional context. By understanding the forms, elements, and barriers to communication, we can improve how we connect with others, whether in a personal conversation or a business setting. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for more insights, and I'll see you in the next video.